Is that purple?
Yeah.
One-time use funnel. They come in handy.
Just fucking go.
Well, it's Monday night. You know what that means. It's wash, or wash, however you say it, night. She's not too bad. We'll get her stripped down here and get her washed up. Doug's blowing out the trailer. She got parked inside Saturday night because it was raining, but Darren moved it out yesterday because he had Mother's Day out here. Pulled it outside to get it out of the way. Max come out earlier today. He's got the four-wheeler, pit bike, pit box, crash cart all unloaded for us, so that was a start. Done, up in the air, wiped down underneath. Ready to start the maintenance.
I finally got that red to hurdle. Man, that was buggy. Every time I got underneath.
Here's our weekly checklist of everything that needs to be done.
That's on the fucking wheel.
It's Tuesday night. He got up on the wheel after he got past.
Yeah.
She's a little bent. Just a little bit. All getting out here. Bobcat Ben over here is putting some new rock down, more rock down where the truck goes. Trying to get that leveled up good before it rains this weekend. We're going to get her maintenance up tonight. Get the oil changed.
That's the left rear?
That's the left rear.
Yeah, got all the old oil drained. Doug might have made a mess. New filter on it. Hauser's doing his bolt check. Service the crash cart and pit cart. Tires were about flat on them. You gonna grunt some more?
No, my name is Cooper.
You all right? Filling her back up.
So you Saturday, that'd be at the track?
What's that?
Work on it at the track Saturday? Is that what you're talking about?
Oh, I don't know. Some guys are out there doing landscaping and figure it out.
Well, we got time to let me know.
Oh, yeah, that is nice. Fancy. Where you get
We have a
one?
toolbox on fucking wheels. We would just roll this bitch over here, or
Move that over there by the...
side to the fucking toolbox.
You never know what we're gonna get into out here. Race car's pretty much done, so servicing the side by side.
Thanks nothing to Darren.
I built the driveway
You didn't do the race car this week.
this week. Thank you for adding that.
See, this is gonna come back on us. By Friday, it's gonna be like, I did everything.
Man, I just feel like I'm gonna pinch my finger.
Go get a good fucking socket.
Yeah, I would get the...
Finger, bitch.
Go get a good socket. Because them are notorious for fucking stripping out. It's a problem.
The hang up
Probably
is
should have tried getting that out first.
Well, let's just flip her upside down and put the
I
good
didn't
shit
even
back
think
in.
about this because I use an easy out on my front diff to get it out one time because them fuckers seize in there. You got to bring some of that spray lube.
Do you have a
That
10
5-in-1.
millimeter? Do you have a 10 millimeter socket?
yeah.
Or is that 10 millimeter, or what size is that?
8.
8?
Is that purple?
Yeah.
One-time use funnel. Be coming handy.
Just fucking go for it.
It's halfway up the funnel. You're gonna probably take all 2 quarts, probably. Probably gonna be just shy of using all 2.
Did you get it in?
They got it out. They're pouring it in, buddy.
One-time use funnel. Living on a dream. I can feel the funnel falling apart in my hands right now as we speak.
Sick. Are you feeling the oil yet?
It's close, right on the other side.
It's a paper funnel.
You give them away at the gas station?
Oh, we do, yes.
No, not with gas prices this high. I can't give them away.
That don't look as bad as it did when it was coming out.
I really think it's full, Coop.
Huh?
To me, it looks full.
You coming out?
I don't think so. I think you're just seeing
The residue.
The residue.
Seeping through the funnel.
Drink, baby, drink.
What are you doing, Ollie girl? Bump's getting her back together.
Ain't doing much.
Our checkoff board is about all done. So many people working on it, that way everybody knows what's been done and what needs to be done. The battery charging. And she's charged. Doug just left his mess here.
I think so.
DK doing his body work.
Yeah, we need to swap the heck for a wash guy.
I know, I was just gonna say, hey Jason, you think you could try next week?
No.
I had to.
Funny to ask.
Dave goes, you need to do this, you need to do this. Well, come on out on Monday night and show us.
Dave, fine?
No. Hauser.
Oh, Jesus.
Daryn Coop got the hauler pad done. She's level with the rest of it. Get a rain on it, get it soaked in and kind of hardened up. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment, share with your friends. Plan for this weekend is Brownstown, local show Friday night. Saturday night, back at the world famous Highland Speedway for the 5,000 to win Mars show. Caveat, there is a 50% chance of rain both days. And it seems to be going up every day, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.